Today, we're lucky to have two very special people. Our Marriott Bonvoy members are going to do something pretty extraordinary. They're going to create a Bellagio fountain show, working hand in hand with our choreographer, Peter Kopik. Brand new and unique to a piece of music to which those fountains have never danced before. Scott, Michelle, so fun to have you here at WET. We're gonna take you through WET today. Very few people get to see it. And I think at the end, you're gonna tell me that you're not sure whether it's sort of like a little movie studio or sort of like a college campus, and I'm gonna say it's a marriage of the two.
I think what I was most surprised by on the tour is the level of depth that this company goes to do what they do. I'm never really thinking about production of the parts, developing new and creative ways to use water and even fire. Being able to do all this in-house is just absolutely amazing. Being the first person ever to be allowed to do this for something so iconic as the fountains, you know, truly something that money can't buy. I just knew this was my moment, to pick a moment.
When you listen to Beautiful Day by U2, do you have similar visions?
I do.
Okay.
I do. Working on the choreography with Peter was a very interesting experience. I really tried hard to make it make sense.
Because we would like this to be your choreography, right?
But I also wanted to make it a bit of my own and do some things that maybe Peter wouldn't normally think to do.
Yes! That was on time.
That was awesome right there.
Okay, well, we can save that.
Yeah, we can say that. Welcome to Bellagio. Bellagio is a beautiful hotel and casino. When you walk in here, it is truly only the finest of furnishings, the finest of finishes, and that's evident even in the guest room. The hotel room is probably larger than my first apartment, beautifully appointed. We have a beautiful view of the fountains. And I couldn't be happier about the choice I made because it's just been really, really good. You're welcome. My gift to all of you. Hope you're enjoying a wonderful evening. Look at this. Look at this. I am just honored and feel blessed that I got to experience this spot, especially with my family. Seeing the show live with the music, especially at this level. I've seen it so many times on a computer program. I've seen it so many times on a video. There's nothing like seeing it in real life. Thank you so much. Thank you, Marriott Bonvoy Moment and MGM Collection. This has been the experience of a lifetime, and I could not be happier to have been involved. Thank you.